Hello, Jennifer Polizzi here from Orion Lending, and welcome back to my DPA Success video series. And today we are going to be going over the cash to close summary on a down payment assistance loan. Now, this is the most important thing you can do for DPA borrowers because they are limited on cash to close. So we have to make sure that when you're registering the loan, when you are working up the application, that everyone is on the same page with how much cash to close the borrower is going to have to bring once that down payment assistance program is applied. So we are going to hop into a loan in my Demo Star portal, look at the cash to close summary on a DPA registered loan. So when you go in there, you can determine if your borrower is going to qualify, and you can let them know how much they will need when they get to the closing table. Now, before we start, please like and subscribe to this video and to my channel so you are updated whenever I post these great informational mortgage loan program videos. So here we are in a down payment assistance program loan. As you can see, this loan has already been registered, and it has already been the fees have already been done in it. So we are going to look at a 3.5% repayable boost DPA, and we are going to focus on the closing costs and the cash to close summary. So we are going to go here, and we are going to go to our jump to menu, and we are going to go to our 1003. From here, this is our Edit 1003 section. We are going to go to our cash to close summary. Anytime you're going to be navigating in the 1003, you're going to look over here on the left-hand side, and we are going to go to our cash to close summary. So this is a very important screen. As you can see, it is going to give the breakdown of the loan and where your borrower is going to have obviously their cash to close. So let's look at a couple of different things here to pay attention to. First of all, here's our purchase price. This is the borrower's closing costs and prepaid. This is all the fees for the loan, and that's going to come from your fee screen. Then we have got the secondary financing. This is your down payment assistance program amount that is going to be applied to the loan. So that is your secondary subordinate financing. So as you can see, that is also applied to your cash to close summary. And then we're going to come down here. Here's a credit for the lender credit if you have priced one in. And we are then going to come down to our cash to close from the borrower. So now currently we are at $18,000 cash to close with all the borrower paid comp, all the closing costs, the prepaid, everything. So how are we going to apply our seller concession? Here is a very important section is we want to go to seller credit not allocated. So let's say our borrower here has $15,000 in seller concession on this purchase. When you add those $15,000 here, you will see that amount come directly off the cash to close from the borrower. This cash to close figure here is the most important thing for down payment assistance borrowers. You can see how this amount will change once you apply seller credit. And every time you apply your seller credit in the cash to close summary, this $sign, the cash to close, cash from to the borrower, is going to change right here on that bottom line figure. So as you can see, we've got all the figures here down to where the cash to close. And we want to make sure when you are talking to your borrower, when you are talking to your realtors, when they are going to get a contract, when you're looking at this cash to close summary here, this bottom line on the cash to close screen for your DPA loan is going to be updated, and it is going to be one of the most important sections you can have. And that is our super, super, super important section of the down payment assistance application in the STAR portal, the cash to close summary screen, which is going to give everybody the same information on how much your borrower needs to bring to the table after the down payment assistance program is applied and after any seller credits are also applied from the seller. So if you have any other questions on DPA loans, please reach out. I'd be happy to help. Thank you so much and have a great day.